Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get paid instant payouts in Stripe. I'm currently using a test account, so don't worry about it. As you can see, if you go to balances and then go to payouts, you don't receive the option. So go to docs, go to instant payouts for connect. If you don't know how to access it, just go to payout to accounts and then scroll down. You can see the instant payouts, or just type here instant payouts for connect. As you can see here, these are the available countries that are eligible for instant payouts. If you are in the US, Canada, Singapore, UK, Australia, the European Union, Norway or New Zealand, you can set this option. If you are not, unfortunately, you can't use instant payouts. You have to stick with the regular checking. So let's say you are available in one of these countries. To be eligible, instant payouts are only available for connected accounts that are in the same country as the platform and must use the local currency. It means that, let's say your business in one of these countries, and you manage it from outside, like for example from Africa or from Brazil, you are not eligible. You must be in the same country to use the local currency. The second criteria, external account eligibility. An external account in the context of Stripe Connect refers to a bank account or debit card associated with the connected account, and eligibility varies by country. It means that your Stripe account must be connected to a debit card or a bank account, otherwise it won't work, which is understandable. If you are in the US or the UK or Europe, debit card and some banks are eligible. If you are one of these countries like Canada, only debit cards, and some banks can be supported. You have to check yourself. Now guys, we go to the monetization and fees. Some marketplaces and platforms choose to monetize instant payouts, offering the convenience for a fee. If you monetize instant payouts, Stripe supports two methods of fee collection: application fee and account debits. You have to take into consideration the support. For the application fees, we have two options. Stripe collects the fee you determine and initiates the instant payouts synchronously. It means that users can't pay out more than their available balance. Fees can be refunded through the API of the dashboard, and the monetization options include fixed or variable with minimums and maximums. Fees are paired to your instant payouts revenue with the payout object. Now let's move to how to enable your connected accounts to initiate instant payouts. You can initiate instant payouts either manually on users or use the Stripe API's Connect embedded component to create user interfaces that allow users to initiate an instant payout themselves. As you can see here, when you press payout, you have two options, either standard or instant. Standard will take about 1 to 2 business days and will transfer all the amount, and instant will be transferred instantly, but as you can see, you have $20 fees, about 2% the platform charges, and you can choose the payout to any bank you want. Or you can set it with the API key. This is the URL, this is the header, this is the body with your bank account token ID here. This is the eligibility and daily volume limits you have to take into consideration. These are the maximum amount it can pay out instantly. For the US, you have $50 for instant payout minimum and maximum like $1,000. You can check the other countries if you want. And that's it. Make sure you manage your risk and eligibility, like minimum processing volume, days active chargeback rate, and best of luck. Make sure you subscribe if this video is helpful, and see you on the next one.